well, so he likes to give kisses.
Good doggies, huh?
All right, Hudson. This way.
You're getting rat packed, girl.
Hi.
Oh.
Yeah, kissies.
Hi.
Hey, you have a big one at home too, huh? Not skinny like these ones. These ones are fast. How fast are you guys on roughly?
What is that, 45 miles an hour
Yeah.
in strides?
That's crazy, man. Those are pretty doggies, huh? Those are doggies. This one can't see.
He says, hey, let me clean that for you.
Bye-bye, doggies. You want to go to the petting zoo now? Is it up here, the petting zoo? Up here, right?
Yeah, sure.
Cool dog.
That's what I was telling you. Those are bantams.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm positive. I'm 100% positive. That's what I'm looking at getting.
Did you ask?
I already know. Yeah, these are bantams. I'm not even...
Bunny.
Big bunny.
This is like Carol's one, the longer
Yeah.
one. Those are some babies, huh? Those are smaller ones that you have at home, huh? You have a lot of giggies at home, huh?
It's a cool spotted one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
15? A lot.
Yeah.
What'd you find, Briley?
Yeah.
What was that? Oh, look at that big
Yeah,
rabbit.
yeah. You guys have a lot too?
Yes, big rabbit.
More than a group.
Really? Oh, here? Here? Oh,
At home, we have a lot.
yeah, okay. Some big rabbit. Yeah, we have a lot too. She knows the names of them, like Susians. It's huge.
What?
Yeah, we have a variety of them.
Cute.
They bring the guinea pigs.
Let me get out of this light here so we have a good picture.
Little cheeky,
I'm trying out my new camera.
little cheeky. Your boots are gonna fall off, little cheeky.
What is?
There they go. What's he doing?
Is it eating? Is it eating? Huh?
He's like a little doggy, a little chai chai.
Go see, Briley. Come over here. Go down there.
Meh. Don't pet it. Meh. It's like a
I don't
little
know,
piggy.
that one moves around too
It's
much.
like
I'm
a
not
little
sure about
chai
it.
chai.
So what's going on?
A little bird. Oh, I captured it so you can pet little bird. He's eating that. Yeah, it's eating the leaf. Yeah. More. It's this food very good.
Yeah, like
This would
Tiger from touching the animals?
No.
Oh, well, I almost.
What is that, Bri?
That's a piggy.
It does look like Ruger.
It does. And this one's cute. About all she does. There's a pig. That one's scratching himself a lot, see? Bugs, yeah. Hiya, pig.
It's okay. You're fine. I can see.
those are big when they're torn.
Out of all the farm animals, that's the one I don't want to tackle.
This one right here.
Any of them. I'll tell you what.
Like it, Briley?
They're very nasty and fast, too. Oh, look how pretty they are. You want to look at them at the fence over here? You can see them through the... Hi, little piggy. Piggy. Hi, boy, you got corn on tongue. Hi. Hi. Like Charlotte's Web. Look at your little liquor going. I know. Your little licker's licking away. Hi. Hey, look at the salt, huh? Look, they crop their tails. It makes them easier probably to maintain or something. Licky, licky, licky the salt off. Oh, hello, new piggy. You want to lick some too? Oh, sneaky, licky, licky, licky. Licky, licky, licky. Today, licky their little snooters.
Put your hand there. Go ahead. Hold it there. Hold it there. How long can you hold it? Hold it for a long time. Put it there. Put it there. Put your hand there.
Their little tongues. Their tongues are so funny. They're so cute. I love to go in there and sit there and run all over me and play with me.
Pig's jowls are so, that's their jowls are so strong that they can bite through
Oh,
a
yeah.
wrist.
Bone.
Yes. Oh man, they're nasty.
Oh my god, it stinks.
I know. It's making bacon time.
They use them in most of the places to eat bodies of humans and people.
Yeah, especially in a lot of the.
They just can't eat teeth. The teeth's the only thing that comes through when they're done eating them.
These are
Don't let her touch, babe.
Hi, feeders here.
Yeah, that's kind of nasty shit on the floor if you want the shrimp.
Looks like Ruger's butt. Look.
It does. Poor Ruger. That's not nice.
That's a little small there, that one.
Okay, let's go do
These are all eaters here.
We'll go see some other animals.
Sows and mamas. And
Baby sheep. Look at all the babies. There's a bunch of babies. See all the babies? Meh. Meh. Meh.